Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office. So PPO supports importing your schedule using MSP, Excel, Google Sheets, as well as Excel for Mac. If you do not use any of those tools, PPO also has its own scheduler that you can use to get your tasks into PPO. For this specific video, I'm going to be focusing on importing an MSP file. So if I just flip over to PPO, the first thing to note is that we do have templates available that you can use for these imports. To get to those, hover over the Help menu, click on the Support Portal. On the Support Portal, navigate to Resources. Under Resources, there is an article for task import templates, and if I drill into that one, you'll see at the bottom there's one MSP task import template that you can download and use. Okay, flipping over to PPO, I'm going to use my time and attendance project. So if I just click through to that, I'll quickly demonstrate the import. So here I am on my project view page. If I scroll past my project information and my other entities, I get to my task section. So here under actions, we just click on import and it takes you to the import task wizard. So here I can just click to find my file. And there it is. So I just double click there. At the bottom, you'll see the field mapping between PPO and your project plan. In this case, it's the MSP schedule. So it's just the fields mapping for the import. So if I click on import, it will bring in all of those tasks that I had in my schedule. First displays a summary page that basically just shows you what is going to happen when we click on submit. So in this case, my actions is that it's going to import the 7 tasks that I have in my schedule. So if I just click on submit, it redirects me to the task list, and here we can see the 7 tasks that I have imported from MSP. You can also, from this task list page, under view, either view it in the scheduler or in the Gantt chart. And from the Gantt chart, you have the option to also PDF this if you want to share it with your stakeholders. So under export, you can also use the Gantt PDF. It's also good practice to add your schedule as a document on PPO to plug the governance requirement. So we hover over projects, click on documents, and when you are on the document list page, you simply click on add. And then you capture all your information, the type, important that it must say project plan or your schedule, and I simply submit. So there we have our governance requirement also plugged. I hope that you found this valuable. Thank you very much for watching.